somewhere.
Dash, come on please. Just a few times. No. Okay.
There's some anger behind that.
Kitten.
Legs are jetting through the house right now. Oh my goodness, babe.
Rusty, what are you gonna do? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ready? Kitty, hold on! Hold on for your life! Oh my gosh, Kitty!
Keep it over there.
Light up your chill zone with QuestCrate.Shop's Towley Servietsky incense holder. Pop in an incense stick, boom, instant zen vibes. This 3D printed masterpiece doubles as art, keeping your space mess-free and smelling dreamy. Towley's got your back saying, don't forget to chill. Perfect for gifting or owning the vibe. Snag yours now and level up your relaxation game.